Welcome to this tutorial on Azure SQL Performance Tuning, a comprehensive guide to help you optimize your database performance. To begin, it is essential to understand the importance of performance tuning in Azure SQL. Poorly performing databases can lead to slow query execution, high latency, and decreased user satisfaction. The first step in Azure SQL performance tuning is to monitor your database performance. Azure provides a built-in tool called Azure Monitor, which allows you to track key performance metrics such as CPU usage, memory usage, and query execution time. You can also use the Query Performance Insight tool to identify top resource-consuming queries and optimize them. Next, you need to identify performance bottlenecks in your database. You can use the Database Advisor tool to analyze your database and provide recommendations for improvement. This tool checks for issues such as indexing, statistics, and query optimization. Once you have identified the performance bottlenecks, you can start optimizing your database. One of the most effective ways to improve performance is by creating indexes on frequently accessed columns. Indexes can significantly speed up query execution by allowing the database to quickly locate the required data. Another critical aspect of Azure SQL performance tuning is query optimization. You can use the Query Store tool to analyze query execution plans and identify opportunities for optimization. You can also use techniques such as parameterizing queries, avoiding cursors, and using set-based operations to improve query performance. In addition to indexing and query optimization, it is essential to maintain up-to-date statistics in your database. Outdated statistics can lead to poor query performance, as the database may not be able to accurately estimate the number of rows that will be returned by a query. Finally, it is crucial to regularly monitor and maintain your database to ensure optimal performance. This includes tasks such as updating statistics, rebuilding indexes, and checking for database fragmentation. By following these steps and best practices, you can significantly improve the performance of your Azure SQL database. Remember to regularly monitor your database performance, identify performance bottlenecks, and optimize your database to ensure optimal performance and user satisfaction.